I think the measure is the most important step in the process because the draftsman really has a wealth of knowledge, and they're there to make sure that you have the kitchen of your dreams when we're done. So they have a big job ahead of them. They're sizing everything because, like I said, every single thing we do is custom. So we're not able to just walk in and say, oh, okay, this, and this, and then we do use a computer at this point for our draftsmen to do a drawing, but they still have to do a lot of mathematical formulas. There's a lot of thought behind what they do.
The measurements that our draftsmen take are very precise measurements. They can be down to as much as 1/8 of an inch, sometimes even a 1/16 of an inch. We have certified draftsmen who go through extensive training to make sure they capture the correct measurements. They're using a software currently where they enter the measurements and redesign the kitchen basically in the software and give it the certain parameters to make sure that all the materials are ordered accurately.
We often remodel cabinets to a different configuration. So you can discuss if you don't like your 4-drawer bank anymore and you want to make a little more room for your pots and pans, we can convert that into maybe leaving just the top drawer and putting a door on the bottom. There's a lot of remodeling that we can do to your existing cabinets. You know, we try to have a large product offering to make everybody happy with what they're looking for and give customers what they want, but there's a lot of information they need to know. So the draftsman's job is really critical to make sure that we get everything right. And no, what's nice is that Kitchen Magic does all the coordinating and all the work for you.